In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an existing customer in QuickBooks. Whether you're streamlining your customer list or simply tidying up your records, the step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. This ensures you have the proper access to manage your data and make any necessary changes. Navigate to the sign-in page, select QuickBooks Online, and log in using your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to manage your customers. Next, go to the Customers and Leads tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side of the QuickBooks dashboard. This section allows you to manage your customer information easily. Click on Customers to access your full customer list. Here, each customer will be listed along with their details, making it easy to find the one you want to delete or deactivate. Once you've located the customer, look to the action column on the right-hand side. Click the drop-down menu and select Make Inactive. In QuickBooks, marking a customer as inactive works like deleting them. It hides them from your active list but keeps their transaction history safe. This is especially useful if you want to keep past records while removing clutter. A confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure. Click Yes, Make Inactive to proceed, and that's it. The customer is now inactive. Effectively deleted from your active list. With just a few clicks, you've cleaned up your QuickBooks environment and ensured your customer database is accurate and up to date.